Hey guys!
Hey guys!
And today we are going to be playing with some play-doh and some slime. So let's get into the video because the other ones haven't been working.
Yeah.
That. And so, got some blue slime.
And technically, I've been eating Cheetos at this process.
Yeah. But this is my blue slime that I made. Is butter slime. Smells good. Scented. Glitter in it. Not sticky at all because it's butter slime.
Okay. And here's some yellow Play-Doh. But are y'all yellow lovers? Yeah. Get it cut of yellow.
Here's some
like yellow.
orange Play-Doh.
And make sure when y'all have Play-Doh, don't mix the color.
Because it just makes it look just too much.
It makes it look ugly. It makes it like, it don't even look like the color. It just, so, yellow. Oh, shit.
And I got some blue jiggly slime. It's a little sticky, but not really. Hear the sound.
And if you want to hear the sound of, what's the braces? Want to hear the sound of Play-Doh?
Sounds like nothing.
Oh wait, you can't hear anything. So touch.
Got some purple Play-Doh. Not gonna take it all out because I'm trying to make this video a little bit faster.
Speed up.
Because the last ones weren't working, so
yeah. So we had.
Instead, we had to do all this other stuff.
Yeah, we had
to make a longer video.
Difficulties with our video. Trying to make a video
like about 4 minutes. And this is purple Play-Doh, like I said. Very nice and smooth.
And as I can see, we're out here with the nature. We're out here with the bugs and stuff.
And this is pink, my favorite color.
Pink is a girl's best friend. But boys they like it too, but I don't know why. And this is blue. In case y'all didn't know, this is not green.
The pink is breast cancer.
This is
for them.
Green. This is purple. Wait, no. Okay, so as y'all get the Play-Doh, make sure y'all read the instructions.
And that's all my slime. Well,
this Play-Doh. It says.
Oh, I forgot one
notice more. Contains wheat. Notice contains wheat.
I'm sorry, guys. I have the camera to myself. Bless you. And so can't do nothing right now.
But thank you for me. If you can hear me, you can.
And this is one.
This is blue, as I can tell y'all already.
Slime.
And it says Play-Doh. Like, no. But y'all don't know how to spell Play-Doh. It is spelled
P-L, like play, and then D-O-H, dough. And we got one more.
No, because you should be in higher grades.
Got one more.
And it's ages 2 plus. Father on. Thank you.
This is green, as you can see.
My friend told me every time you think about somebody, you pray for them. And that's basically all. You can find these at store or
Walmart and stuff, Target. And guys, I hope you guys like this video.
Well, when you
like, subscribe, and comment if you want.
And press that ring-a-ding-ding notification bell. And make sure you put a thumbs up to our like.
And hope you guys like and subscribe. And bye.
Bye.